All right, let's see if we can get this thing to start. I mean, it'll start, but I want you to hear it. Idle's a little high, but I ain't talking about that. So, I never said I was a mechanic. Remember, if you watch one of my other videos, please go watch it just so you can see what a character I am. So this is the crush washer that was in the exhaust. And I bought a couple of these, and you can see the one I replaced crushed to shit. I can say that. So here's what I did. I looked at this, and remember, the bike was put together a little bit different when I pulled it apart. I never had an exhaust leak on it. All I was trying to do was get in there to get to the carburetor to adjust that idle screw on the bottom, air fuel mixture screw. That's all screw I was trying to do. I thought that these guys went behind the header and pressed up against the crush washer. No, how could that be? With this gap here, nothing but exhaust leak. That's why if you listen to the short or the nice long video I put together, you know, edited and all that stuff, has this exhaust leak, and I'm like, yeah, it'll be all right. Well, it's not all right. So what happens is, I wish I could show you on the bike better, but these fit inside the collar. This collar is already back here. This collar is already on the pipe back here, the header. The collars fit, these collars fit in the clamp, and that presses the flange of the pipe against the crush washer. Because I kept thinking, it's not going to seal the way it is. So, and I had these screws messed up, and I had to actually retap them, all that stuff. And by putting that in there, I was like, I never thought it sat good against the head, the cylinder. Well, it fits so good against the cylinder now that this clamp is in the right place. Because before I had that much showing because it was sticking out that much. Also, too, this bolt here was hooked up here, but it's too far forward to get this exhaust here to fit forward enough to clamp correctly there, and to go there I had to undo it. I just bumped my head. So remember, I wasn't trying to fix anything like kind of an exhaust leak. I was trying to get to the friggin' idle screw or the air fuel mixture. I haven't even worked on the back tire yet. But anyway, I'm not a mechanic, never professed to be. What took me 2 days to screw around with this thing, or 2 days, half days, now it took me about 20 minutes to get it right. OG Big T, your friendly mechanic, over and out. Peace.